Sorry, in fact, the first slide is wrong, but the other ones are
Okay,
correct.
so 72-year-old male, hypertension, diabetes, frequent monomorphic BPDs.
Vydrž, 17 až 20.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, welcome to the 21st edition of the Prague Workshop.
We are able to show the new perspectives and actually how to make our procedures easier and more safe for the patients.
We're having a lot of live cases, which is very exciting. Also, it's stressful.
We prepared for you a lot of cases, and I believe that you will enjoy the time with us and learn something for your practice.
I'm regularly here. I like very much this congress. According to my knowledge and experiences, it is pretty much unique.
Prague Workshop is very attractive to us. I'm very happy to be here to observe the many cases with a new technology.
"20 years, 20 cases. It's one of the best workshops in the world, I say.
The meeting right now met my expectations. I think it's very interesting, very high level.
We will perform a live case tomorrow. To see a live case is very important for you. So I think it's an important way to learn something.
This is a meeting that really brings some of the most remarkable people in the world together, and so for many of our professors, people like us who are visiting, it's an honor to present to this audience, but it's also a great learning opportunity for us.
We delivered energy, so can we show? I think the workshop is unique in electrophysiology. They're able to have different physicians from different locations around the world come and demonstrate their technique.
We are performing in Homolka Hospital a lot of cases with really cutting-edge technologies. To be involved in the case is a perfect learning.
There's no other conference in electrophysiology that has this many different cases.
And we started with this lecturing Dr. Rowland 21 years ago.
Practical meetings showing the new generation what the lessons of the past, the new technologies that they can use for the benefit of patients and to make the procedures quicker, more effective and for new indications.
Even for experienced people like me coming over here, each time you can see some new progress, and also doctors from different regions may show their own strategy.
Some of the biggest names in electrophysiology have been here at this conference. I think there's no other conference in the world like it.
I don't know better organized practical workshops and sessions where you can combine theoretical knowledge together with the practical tips and tricks, and you can see that in reality.
It's real life, it's not fake. Sometimes troubles happen. We discuss how to manage it and how to resolve it.
Sometimes from difficult cases we are learning even more.
What is remarkable about this meeting is we always start off the meeting by discussing the live cases that were done at the previous conference.
It's very important that we have a feedback on the patients that were ablated year before.
The knowledge is advanced and up to date, and I like it very much.
There's always news and updates, what's new in the field.
We have no such innovative devices in Japan.
Many new technique is always coming over here in hospital, Homolka or ICAM.
Oftentimes, the first time people see new technologies are if they come to this workshop.
There is no ablation worldwide that can be done that we cannot do in Czech Republic.
People need to know, and actually we need to show them what is the future.
The kind of research that is being done over here is the very best in the world.
Right around here where the ablation catheter is, we thought this would be an interesting area. Remember the pentray was there, interesting electrograms.
I think it's huge. This is exactly what we should be doing.
The Elias, the red side, and hopefully we will see also.
I hope after this conference I can be more helpful and I can treat more people in Pakistan.
Thank you very much for
your
friendship
for
and
your collective of your teams.
I believe that next year we will be able to show some new strategies of ablation which can change completely the way how we do ablation maybe today.
There's no substitute for really seeing it firsthand.
The red side and
Gelecek yıla sizleri görmeyi bekliyorum.
Aš norėčiau ir planuoju atvažiuoti čia dar kartą.
We are eagerly looking forward to the 22nd symposium here in Prague.
Nie mogę się doczekać, żeby przyjechać za rok.
来年のワークショップも楽しみにしてます。
Už teraz sa teším na budúci ročník.
Men dagın kelgim keledi.
めっちゃハッピーです。
And certainly I'm looking forward to come next time.
我很希望明年再次回到布拉格参加这个会议，谢谢。
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite you to the 22nd edition of the Prague Workshop, which will take place in mid-April 2019. Over years, it has become a novel technology forum, and I believe that next year we will show you some interesting new technologies for ablation of different cardiac arrhythmias.